Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Google Pixel 8 Pro for a senior person. And to do this, let's launch our settings. Inside, when we look for a simple or senior mode, sadly there's no such settings, so we need to do it manually. Okay, and now that we have it confirmed, we can scroll down and look for accessibility, enter it, and then there's a few settings that we can change here. First one being display size and the text. You'll be able to adjust the font size. You can make it bigger or smaller with the slider. I'm gonna go for the full size. Then there's display size, which makes basically everything bigger or smaller, and that means icons, buttons, and even text. Now let's scroll down, and the next option is to make text bolder. As you can see, the font becomes much thicker, and when you enable high contrast text, it's not visible on the black text, but every edge of the font is outlined with black, and you can see it properly on the home screen like that. Now let's go back. And the next thing we can do is go for color and motion. And here I would suggest to remove animations, make sure that it's enabled. It reduces motion sickness and overall confusion while browsing through the internet and other apps. Next will be to enter the magnification options, also in accessibility. When you activate it, you will see this icon floating around your screen. You can click on it, then your screen will be outlined with orange, and you'll be able to click anywhere to zoom in. If you want to move around, use your two fingers like that. And if you want to zoom out, click on the loop icon again. And that is basically all of the settings that I would recommend to change. You can experiment with accessibility and the rest of the options available. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.